Okay, so it's snowing like crazy here on Mercer Island. And look who I have! Olivia and Lucy with a little coat on. Lucy, say hi. Here he is. He's like, I love the snow, Mom. I love the snow. Look at you. This is in front of our apartment on Mercer Island. Oh, look, Reese's pooping. Okay, we'll go to Olivia. Olivia, what you doing? It's colder than a witch's tit out here. Oh, Mommy's gonna pick up the poop. Don't worry, she's a good doggy owner. Olivia, listen, I pooped. Now I feel better. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh yes, it's so fun. Okay, let me pause. Okay, this is, oh look.